Hey everyone, if you're facing account issues on Behance in 2026, like login problems, missing profile, or account not working, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Behance account issue step by step. First, open Behance and check your email and password. Small typing mistakes can block access. Next, click on Forgot Password and reset your password. This fixes most login issues. Now remember, Behance is connected to Adobe, so make sure your Adobe account is working properly. After that, check your internet connection. Unstable internet can stop your account from loading. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can cause login or loading problems. Now try using another browser or device. This helps identify device-related issues. After that, disable VPN and browser extensions like ad blockers. These can interfere with account access. Finally, if nothing works, contact Behance support for help. Sometimes only official support can fix account-level issues. So yeah, that's how you fix Behance account issues in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your account should start working again.